Hey, what is up, people? I'm back with another video, and today let's check out an amazing game played by Gary Kasparov in 1979 against Rainer Pape. This game features an aggressive attacking line in the Pelican variation of the Sicilian, and let's check out what happened on the board. Kasparov started with e4, c5, knight f3, knight c6, d4 going for the open Sicilian, c cross d4, knight cross d4, knight f6, attacking the pawn, knight c3, defending. Now the move e5 and db5, which is the main move here. This move intends to play knight d6 on the next move, giving a check to the king and force black to give up his dark square bishop. Here black can play a6 and after n d6 check can capture on d6, and after queen cross d6 can play queen e7 offering a queen exchanges. Of course, queen exchanges will be favorable for black as he equalizes in the early stage of the game. So white plays queen d1 and the game continues. But in our game, black played the move d6, not allowing knight d6 check and also opening up the c8 bishop's diagonal. Bishop g5, pinning the knight, and now a6. This is all theory. From here, white can continue with bishop cross f6, and queen cross f6 is not good as nc7 check will win the rook. So black usually captures with the g pawn and messes up his pawn structure, and white retreats the knight on a3 square and the game continues. In our game we have directly knight a3 and now b5 threatening b4 to win a material. Here Kasparov first played bishop takes f6 attacking the queen. Queen takes f6 is playable but not so good because after n d5 the queen must go to the d8 square again. So in the game black captured with the g pawn g cross f6 and now n d5 shifting the knight to the central square, f5 by black, and now a super aggressive move by Kasparov. Can you find the move? Now look, as the black king is still in the center, Kasparov played this attacking move bishop cross b5, sacrificing the bishop for the activity of his pieces, a cross b5, knight cross b5, and now the threat is nc7 check winning the rook. Black played the best move here, rook a4 and bc7 check, king d7 only move, and now a very deep move by Kasparov. Can you find the move? Now look, the e4 pawn is hanging. In here Kasparov played this move c4. It is a very deep move by Kasparov. First of all, he is sacrificing the c4 pawn and also queen's diagonal is opened to the rook on a4. So we can say that also attacking the rook. So black captured rook cross c4 and now queen h5 going for the f7 square. The queen is also joining the attack now. If a random move here like rook g8, then queen cross f5 will be checkmate. The best move in this position for black was to capture on e4, rook cross e4 giving a check and also breaking the castling right of white, and after king f1 play the move queen h4 offering queen exchanges. If queen cross f7 check, play bishop e7, and according to the engine this position is good for black, but from a human perspective this position is very difficult to play, and that too against a player like Kasparov. So coming to this position, after queen h5 there is no way to defend the f7 pawn. So black played a fairly logical move which is nd7. The idea of nd7 is to capture rook cross c7 and to exchange off these two knights for a rook, as the white knights are monsters cramping the black's position. Queen takes f7 pinning the knight. Black captured here rook cross c7, and now white should not capture on c7 as he will be down lot of material and only queen cannot checkmate the black king. From here Kasparov pulled out a brilliant combination, or rather we can say a brilliant king hunt. Here we have knight f6 check dragging the king out. The only move for the king is king c6. Now pause here and find out what would you play if you had white, how to continue the attack. If you immediately play the move rook c1 check, the king will escape from the b file, rook c1 check, king b6, and if you play queen b3 check, but after king a7 there are no more checks, you can try queen a4 check, but after bishop a6 black has managed to repel white's attack as white is down too much material and any trade will favor black. Now look, if the b file was covered Then rook c1 would be checkmate. So a simple move by Kasparov, that is queen b3, controlling the b file, and now the threat is rook c1 with a direct checkmate. Black played the only defense here, which is bishop h6 guarding the c1 square, and now again Kasparov showed us why he is the greatest. He simply castles here, retaining the threat of rook c1. If bishop captures, then the other rook comes on c1 and that would lead to checkmate. d5, making room for the king to go on the d6 square. But now, a quiet move, queen b4, controlling the d6 square while also guarding the b file. Here black desperately played bishop a6, and here comes rook f c1 check, bishop takes c1, rook takes c1 check, bishop c4, blocking. Here b3 would be slow. Kasparov played this forcing move, e cross d5 check. The king has no square to go. The b file is guarded by the queen. The c5 square is also guarded by the queen. The knight is guarding the d7 square. The king is locked, and also the king can't capture the pawn as the pawn is guarded by the knight. If knight takes d5, then rook takes c4 will be checkmate. So black captured the pawn with the queen. Queen cross d5. We have knight cross d5. King cross d5, and now rook d1 check. The king has 3 moves, king c6, king e6 or king e4. If king goes to the e6 square, then queen d6 will win the rook. And if king goes to the c6 square, then it's rook d6 checkmate. So the only option left for black, king e4, but there is forced mate from here. It is mate in 2, f3 check. The king goes either on e3 or f4. It's queen d2 and we have a checkmate on the board. It was a fantastic king hunt. The king went all over from e8 to d7 to c6 to d5 to e4 and now is finally mated on the f4 square. It all started from this position. This aggressive move, bishop cross b5, was a risky move by Kasparov. Would you play this move? Let me know in the comment section, and in the end, a position for you to solve. It is white to play and to find the winning continuation for white. Also, watch more videos from my channel over here.
I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder, go crazy, berserker.